Welcome back to my channel, All Things Yazz. If you are new, then welcome. My name is Yazz, but if this is your second, third, or even fourth or fifth visit, then stop fighting it any longer. You know what you want to do. You want to hit that subscribe button, ring my bell, and give this video a like if you like, and join the crazy addicted designer family. If you have a hankering for all things designer just like me, then this is the place for you. Now, in today's video, I have a Hermes unboxing. And I'm literally so excited, I can't wait. I did mention this bag on my previous video, so if you want to go check that out, I'll leave that linked up above. But let's just get to it already. So before we dive into the unboxing, there's always a story that goes with a handbag, so grab yourself a cup of tea. Okay, so for those of you who don't know about Hermes and who don't know about Hermes Birkin bag, the Birkin bag is the holy grail of handbags. Now, I may have said this about my dream bag, I'll leave that linked somewhere, and I'm sorry darling, you will be bumped to second place. This bag definitely goes in first place, I'm sure many people will agree with me on that. But it's not like any normal bag. You can't just waltz into Hermes and be like, can I have a Hermes Birkin bag please? No. It's not like walking into Louis Vuitton and going, can I have a Neverfull in the size with the beige interior? No. So this is my gist of it, and I may get the wrong end of the stick here. Let me know in the comments down below. But this was mine and my mum's experience. We went down to London just as a little trip, and I knew my mum wanted to see the Hermes Birkin bag, so she was like, should we just have a look in Hermes? And to be honest, so did I, like, who doesn't want to go see one? And obviously none were on display, so we're like, can we please see any of your Hermes Birkin bags? And they were like, nope. No madam, you cannot. You have to go on to a waiting list. So my mum went onto the waiting list and selected her preferences. Now the preferences I believe were what leather you would like, what colour of leather, and the hardware, and maybe the size. I'm not sure if they have different sizes. I believe there might be. I think this is a medium size. But stuff like this. And 8 months later, it just so happened that my mum's preferences walked into the store. But yeah, my friend did tell me that I think this may be a little bit of a white lie, I'm not sure, that one person in the entire world makes these bags. Now, I can understand why it takes so long, because if there's only one person making these bags, it's going to take a while to get around to your particular preferences. And obviously they're not going to be like, oh, Mrs. Gibson wants this and this. No, it's whatever that person makes. So if that person makes this and that happens to be your preferences, then you'll get a call, and you'll have to go to the shop and you'll be able to view it. Now, when viewing it, that was completely a crazy experience. You're in like part of the room, probably like right at the end, and they draw like this curtain around you. You're allowed Prosecco. The woman gets on little gloves, or man, I can't remember, I think it was a woman. Yeah, it was a woman. She gets on her little gloves and she brings it out, and it's like prized diamonds, like the most expensive thing in the world. It's so cool. You feel like proper like a princess. You're like, yes, bring me my diamonds. And of course, Mum, what did she do? She asked for a matching purse, but I'm not sure if it's the type of leather or the slight, like ever so slightly, the colour may be out. It's not exactly the same as this bag, slight mismatch, but it is like the same style. And yeah, so without further ado, let's jump into the unboxing. Okay guys, first impressions, what do we all think? I think it's amazing. I think it's the most beautiful handbag made. And I think my mum's preferences, the navy grained leather and the silver hardware, is just the perfect combo. So versatile, can wear it with anything. If it was me, maybe I would have gone with black grained leather. You're not going to see any scratches, it's more durable with the grained leather, so it's like the perfect bag. I know my mum's going for navy just because she doesn't wear a lot of black, so it's perfect for her. And I don't think I showed you the bottom. It has these rather large studs on, so nothing's going to get on the bottom part, so really limiting any like damage to it. It's in absolutely perfect condition, of course. Mum wouldn't be crazy. I think she got it when I was 21, so 2 years ago. Yeah. It's just gorgeous. It's just gorgeous. So let's open it up. Now, I would definitely say I wouldn't fasten it every time, because to be honest, I think that would be a bit of a faff. I could definitely see myself just leaving it open, probably like that, or with that bit like that, maybe with these bits just in this bit. Yeah, I could definitely see myself, if I was an owner of a Hermes, just leaving it like that, because then you can just easily get in. But when it is all done up, no one's getting in there, are they? No one can get into your handbag. So I don't know if you saw this on the little clip of the unboxing, but at the back we have a zip compartment right at the back here. And then at the front we just have this open space. Let me just undo this a bit so we can get a better look. Just open this up a bit, yeah, there we go. Yeah, and then at the front we have just a big pocket there, if you can see that. Now, this bag, it just screams to me girl boss vibes. I remember seeing, what's her name? Kris Kardashian having one of these, Kim Kardashian having one of these, and just thinking they look so chic, so girl boss, and I just think it's the most beautiful handbag. Inside, you have so much space. I could definitely fit my laptop in here, my iPad, everything. So it's like the perfect size bag. I wouldn't get any bigger than this, mind. But yeah, it's absolutely gorgeous. Let me know in the comments down below, what do you think of this bag? Is it the holy grail of bags? Am I just being a bit crazy? I personally think it is. I think it is. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. It's the perfect bag. You could wear this with so many things. So guys, that is it for the unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments down below if there's anything in particular that you want me to film. I have got a comment about a handbag collection, so I will be doing that at some point. Another thing to mention, I was meant to be going on holiday, and obviously because of the situation that we're all in, I won't be, and I hope everyone is staying safe and sound. But I was going to be filming a bikini haul. Now let me know in the comments down below if you still want me to film that. I bought a new bikini and a new lingerie set just for, you know, just for holidays. I like to buy myself something nice to go on holiday with. So if you want me to film like a bikini haul, then let me know in the comments down below. And other than that, thank you so much for watching. Stay safe and I'll see you very soon. Bye for now.